If you're after some classical training in oil painting techniques, from the fundamentals to the very knowledge systems of the old masters, then Andrew Tischler is your man.
He has the greatest way of breaking down something fairly complicated and just distilling it and explaining it in a way that you can understand.
My work sort of lacked a sense of direction. He's been a big help and a big influence for me the past few years.
And now I have the boldness to pick up the brush and paint.
And I have the confidence now to go ahead and do some of my own painting.
This is how I used to paint before. This is where I am now. Thanks a lot, Andrew. You have been a great influence on me.
Now you've just heard from some amazing people from our exclusive community over at TISCH Academy. With over 100 hours of exclusive video content, guides, critiques, and royalty-free reference material, TISCH Academy will help you improve your art. Become the artist you are meant to be. Now head to that link below. Starting at just $5 a month, you'll gain the insights to create art you're really proud of. Try it for a month. I guarantee you'll be inspired or your money back. All right, my friend, you know what to do next. Take action. Click that link down below, and I'll see you there. Well, I really hope you've enjoyed this video and the nice, relaxed musical vibe that we had going here. And if you did, if you like this style of video, then let me know in those comments down below. Now, if you want to take your painting techniques even further and you want more information about the painting demonstration that you just watched, then check out my studio notes. That's a written breakdown of the materials that I used here, as well as the process for creating this plein air painting. And I'm going to do this for a few of my demonstrations in the future. As I bring these YouTube videos to you, I'm going to also have those studio notes available for you. And that's absolutely free. Just click that link in the description down below and I'll send them out to you. Now, if you haven't already grabbed your copy of the studio guide, you'll find a link to that in the description down below. That's my epic ebook all about oil painting techniques. It's well over 100 pages. And again, that's absolutely free as well. You'll find that by clicking the link in the description down below. Thank you so much for spending this time with me here in the studio. I've really enjoyed your company, and I'll see you again in the next video.